Hello everyone, what is up? It's Spark000 AJ here, and today I'm with my mum. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're going to be doing a mail time video. We have 50 gifts to open.
50? I'm not sitting there through 50.
So we'll start from the top, and I'm going to see if you know like what rarity that is.
No, I'm not going to have a clue, Scarlett. I don't know nothing. I don't know anything.
Okay.
About this.
Ooh, thank you, Wolfie, for the rare Holiday ring. So I did promise that if you do send me stuff, I put you on my wheel of names for my giveaway. Nice. Sleeping Kittens 1. I forgot to add your user to this. Look at that! She made a masterpiece.
Oh, that's cute.
So Sleeping Kittens, all these people are going to be in. So it's Sleeping Kittens 1. Thank you so much. That is so cute. Sleeping Kittens 1. My dog's here. Wolfie 76778. 76778. Oh, that's hard to remember. Wolfie 76778. Yes, got it.
Is that separate Wolfie or same?
Nah. Psych. She's one of my good friends. The bunny plushie, thank you. I need to put you on the wheel. Cool. Silverclaw. So she's one of my real good friends. What do you think that is? In the name?
Rare spiked wristband.
It's a spike.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah. Oh my god, Silverclaw. She's one of my really good friends. Silverclaw 1678. Thank you so much.
Well, you've got some nice friends on there.
Wow. Better than my friends in real life, am I right? Psych. You'll see. Ooh, a designer skirt. So I don't add them to the name twice. Psych. Many from Psych. Ooh, a freedom kitty. Ooh, I like freedoms. Isn't that cute?
Oh, that is cute. That is cute. Why does Psych keep giving you gifts?
What's she trying to say here?
Oh, is that
Got a
her
witch
being
hat.
kind?
These are from Caro. Thank you. I need to add your name to the wheel, Caro, even though I'm just going to do it like that. Thank you. Cheese 3, cheese 2.
What are the cheeses?
I don't know. Ooh, Moonda. That is a beta. Those are quite good. It's because when we were making bargains in this girl's den, he stole I was gonna buy the bargain, and then he bought it before me. Ooh, Juno's armor. I really like the Juno's armor. Thank you, and thank you for Buddy. Oh, that's okay. Sparky 1917. No, Sparky 1973.
1973 would be the easiest way to remember.
What is it?
1973. The year after I was born.
Wow, we needed to know that. The next one is from Layers. Ooh, a rare flower bracelet. That will look very snazzy. So, oh my god. Okay, the next one is from Icy Paws. Do you need this for your candle crock? A pink purse. How fabulous, isn't that right? Thank you so much. XX Icy Paws XX. Sorry this is taking so long. I need to add everyone to the wheel. That's it. So I'll know your username when I do the giveaway. Psych, I hope you like it.
Is that?
If it has Spike in the name, it is a spike. Thank you so much, Psych. So I will take a picture of your name and put you on the special wheel where you'll have more chance of winning the giveaway. So psych, and it was Silver, wasn't it? That sent me it. Yes, it was Silverclaw. Oh no, Mr. Noob. Silverclaw. So the people that gave me spikes are going to be put on a separate wheel. Okay.
Why?
Because then they have more chance of winning my giveaway. Psych, auto please. I have a collection. Last time I tried, you weren't accepting jamograms. Thank you. Oh my god, how do I say?
Is that schmore?
That is not schmore. But I'm just taking a picture.
Schmore.
I'm just taking a picture of the. Oh my god. But because you sent me a gift, you will. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Skurmo. Sorry, I can't say your username.
Schmore.
Catty Fox, be positive. Oh, what a nice name.
I like that box.
Catty Fox 000. Oh my god. Sounds like my username, but different. Okay, the next gift is from Sassy Seal 151. What a very blunt message they have on there. My things, I don't know. Here.
What's that? They can write a message to you.
Phantom Smog. Yeah. Sassy Seal 151. That is some great smog.
What would you do with smog?
Well, it's a den item, so you put it in your den. Well, my den. Crazy 14181. Sorry, didn't attach the gift. Sorry, it's not much. That's totally okay. Pigtails. Ooh, I'm gonna make an outfit with all of these. Crazy 14181. Oh my god. Crazy 14181. Yeah, I got your username. Silverclaw, another one from Silver. Enjoy. Ooh, rare Viking hat. Thank you so much, Uddy. That is a interesting username, but I like it. A slingshot. Thank you so much. Those are quite beta. Why did I write slingshot? Your thing is Uddy. Oof. Thank you so much. Oh, more from Uddy. Oh my gosh. A royal tiara. That is a clothing beta, and I like clothing betas. Ooh, a panda. That panda is very. Oh, my dog's just sleeping. Ooh, a cake bake kitchen. You know, me and you can bake some cakes in there. Isn't that right, Mum?
Yes.
Hope you like the spike I sent you. It's my only spike, lol. From Safi. Ooh, Safi 0127. See, this is how many people care about me, Mum. Another one from Safi. Ooh, striped spike collar. Thank you so much, Safi.
That's nice.
Sharkin from Shark. Ah, a golden unicorn horn. Wow, that is amazing. Shark is one of my friends as well. Sharkin. Oh. I just need to add everyone's names to the wheel. Kiwi. Ooh, that's beta. Oh, Kiwi O. I won't remember that username.
Kiwi-O. Yes, you
Oh,
will.
Kiwi-O.
Kiwi-O. Kiwi is a fruit.
Yes, I know.
Or kiwi is another name for a
Oh,
person. I don't know if
Kiwi-O.
you're allowed to say that, but from New Zealand.
Wow, that is. Another one from Kiwi. A heart. Oh, that is very adorable. Another one from Kiwi. A fox.
Ooh, fox hat. I like that.
She likes foxes.
I
Open
like
it.
foxes.
It's a spike, Mum.
Does that mean that's a good thing?
Yes. Make it cute with it. You'll need it.
Wow.
Another one. Open this, please.
I take it these are good presents you're getting.
Kiwi! Kiwi! take a picture of your username. That is that is a very good item. That is very nice. Thank you. That is very snazzy. Kiwi. Epic dragon wings. Ooh. I like dragon wings. A zany hat. Top. Top hat. These are really nice items. Thank you look, so many from Kiwi. Oh. A golden pirate sword. Heart earmuffs with a little heart stamp.
Do you know who Kiwi is?
Yeah, they're my friend. A rare skull helmet, because I'm tough. Deer fur. Mum's like,
gosh, they've given you a lot.
Nerds, which are really good. Gracie. A heart rose archway.
Pretty.
It is pretty. Another one from Gracie. Egg shoes.
Egg shoes, cool.
I'll put your username on it, Gracie. A golden tiara. I need to put your name on it. So there's Gracie 41523. 41523. There we go. Look how many people on this wheel. Many a peeps. Another one from Gracie. A designer. Oh my god, more from Gracie. Another designer skirt. Oh my goodness. Ooh, Jamal Day tail ribbons. I've been looking for them. Wow, she literally got. I'm mad. You married another woman. Ooh, a princess tail ribbon. And then the last gift from Tuesday. You're amazing and you deserve to keep this perfect human. Another one!
Oh, that's a nice little message as well.
Thank you so much, Tuesday. I need to take a picture of your username so that I know that you're definitely going on the We Live lists. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
Have you put the names on the wheel?
Yes. I put the names on the wheel. Hold on, my inventory load.
You didn't put Tuesday. You haven't done Tuesday yet.
Oh my god. Look how many spikes I have. Oh my gosh.
Just make sure you put the names on the wheel.
Yes, I am.
So you don't forget.
I'm not going to forget. Tuesday. So I will spin this wheel 3 times, and the 3 lucky winners are going to be put on the giveaway wheel, and that wheel's going to be spun once, and whoever wins wins.
So you're putting people that gave you spikes
on the special wheel already.
On a different wheel.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
So I'm going to.
What are you giving away?
I'm giving away.
It better be good.
It is good, Mum. My giveaway item, if my page would load, is. Hold on. To Spike. Where is it? Where is my giveaway? There it is. This pink short collar. And that's who will win. So let's spin this wheel 3 times, and who is going to get on the special wheel? Sparky1973. That's loud. You have a winner. Okay, let's get you on a wheel of names. So we'll get you on a separate wheel, and you will be entered into the giveaway. My mum's looking at me like, what the hell?
I'm confused.
You will be. It's okay though.
So she's not a winner then?
She is. So.
You're going to regret asking me to watch this.
We've got 2 wheel of names. We have a winner. So so we're going to be taking a picture of the winners, and they're going to be put on the special wheel with the spikes. Who's going to be next? This person. Schmull. The last person who is going to be